let's enable the Google Authenticator on Binance. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable your Google Authenticator on your Binance. So first of all, just go ahead and open your Binance application on your smartphone or on your web browser. So first of all, just go to your profile at the top left corner of your mobile screen. And from there, just go to the settings at the top menu. And from there, you will see this option called App Authentication. Just click on it. And here you will see this option called Authenticator app. Just click on it. Now it will asking you to download the Authenticator app. So just go ahead and download the app. And once you click on it, you will see the complete process through which you can link your Authenticator to your Binance app. So first of all you have to do is just go ahead and copy the 16-digit key, or you can go ahead and scan the QR code to link your Binance to your Authenticator, and just open the browser and it will just showing you all these steps. So once you have read all of them, just go back to your home screen or just go to your Play Store and download the Google Authenticator on your mobile. And after that, just open the application. And here on the home screen, you will see this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Just click on it, and here you will see two options. Either you can scan the QR code or just enter the setup key. So just go ahead and click on enter the setup key, and just enter your account name, your 16-digit key that you have just copied from your Binance account, and just enter the type of key that you are looking for, and just click on add. And this is how you will be able to enable your Google Authenticator on your Binance. I hope you find this video to be helpful. Thank you for watching. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.